Larry! Larry! What the heck, man? Did you pee on the floor again? It's like every time there's a full moon, you forget how to use the toilet. You're still half man, you know. No, I don't think Mike did this. Mike's a vampire. I don't even know if vampires pee. No, threatening to bite me is not going to get you out of this. Clean this up now or no kibble later. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an oldie, the one I'm very excited about because I always wanted him, is the animated Snarling Werewolf. I know he was for sale at Menards last year. I think I got this one from HalloweenCostumes.com. They had a big sale at the end of the season last year. I got him last year. I haven't checked him out yet. Let's take a look. I'm very excited. Safety scissors. Can't risk hurting myself filming these videos. Okay, so here we go right away. We've got clothing and fur. Looks like they're attached. We've got the two arms. Ah, he's got me! We have got the foot. Let's get this bubble tape off. Plastic foot, slips over. Hollow, it's got some fur attached. Pretty nice looking though, not too bad. The other foot. Here's those muscles. Ah.
Wow.
The other foot. Same thing. These must be the leg pulls. The zip tied together is the base and the mechanism. So let's take this out. Uh-oh. Our safety scissors gonna cut through these zip ties. They work. They still work. Cover off. So here is the shoulders and the mechanism right here. This turns and that also turns the head. Cool. Got this, I assume, is for the back. More zip ties. Come on, safety scissors, you can do it. Ah, there we go. Okay. Two deep holes. Looks like we got a waist loop. And here it is. Here's the face. Not too bad. He's a little smushed in the nose. Might need to do something to fill that. But we'll see how it is when it starts moving. It's very thin material. It's got the LCD eyes. By me. Let's see how you hold up first. Ah. Cool. And last but not least, we've got the adapter. Let's get the box out of here. Let's take these instructions first. Let's see, some people think instructions are boring and useless. But sometimes you can make a pretty good paper airplane out of them. Does it fly? Nope. Not very good. So these are C, which means these must be B. Yep. These are B. The feet are the same. So let's take the B stickers off. Come on, stickers. Why do you do this to me? So there we go. We got the feet on, and now we've got these posts, which actually go like this. We got that. Now, let's see, we've got D. Okay. Just gonna take these clothes out here. Looking for an E. Is there an E? We got an F. We've got an E. All right. Let's move the camera up so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so next we have E, the pants. I'm assuming we want the ripped knee in the front. So we'll slide this one on. Just like that. Down to the feet. Okay, that was E. Now we've got F. I'm thinking just goes to fill out the legs. Maybe like that. Kind of looks like something, I guess. It's different than your usual foam. Does that look good or stupid? A little bit of A, a little bit of B. I mean, I guess they do kind of fill the leg up a little bit. We'll go with it. All right, and then we got to put the waist mechanism on. Okay, and then I think we can pull the pants up around the waist. Seeing that this is the waist, clearly that's going to be something for the... No, this is for the shoulders. I don't know what H is for yet. Probably need to figure that out because that's next. Let's see. Maybe H goes there to fill out the stomach. Okay, so I put H on here. I guess it's going to fill out the chest. We've got I, which fills out the back, just like that. And now let's put his shirt on. I guess it's shirt slash skin. Fur, at least. I'm just gonna Velcro the back. I've got to put the sensor in right here. How's that looking? This knee looks really weird here. I think I'm gonna have to do something to fill out these legs better because they just look a little funky. That's all right. Let's put the arms in. I Velcro part of this up, and I probably shouldn't have. Okay. Let's slide this down here. All right, cool. Let's put K on. I know I did L before K. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Tight fit getting this arm in here. I guess in some ways that's good because it will fill it up. We can do this. Oh, here we go. Okay. Looking good. I think all we have left is the head and the adapter. Too short. Can't see what I'm supposed to do. Oh, here it is. Looks like the head goes here. Ah, my fingers are stuck. Ah! Still got them. We're good. And let's go to these guys here. There's a red and green wires hanging down. Just long enough to fit. How's he looking? Not too shabby. A little bit of that smush face going on here. Get something in to fix that. All right, let's get the adapter and let's check him out. Okay, so right away you're gonna see, I turned the volume down. One of his eyes is not working. Looks like he's got a monocle on. I guess I could do like a top hat with the monocle, kind of make him a classy looking werewolf.
Yes, very distinguished. I see.
Because I ordered them last year. I don't know if they're going to replace that for me. I'm going to have to look into it. I don't think that's something I can fix myself. Otherwise, I like the way the head moves in the jaw. It's pretty cool. I wish the arms did a little something. It just kind of turns the body. But the head going back is a nice touch. What I liked about him was I liked that classic werewolf look with the short snout. I thought he was pretty cool. The hands and the feet are nice. Fur's not bad. The shirt's kind of that generic rip look, which I never like. It looks cartoony. Nothing ever rips like this for me. But the shirt's easy to replace. He's got to do something with the legs. They look weird. They got to be stuffed. But I like the way it bends. That's very cool. I got to look at the eyes, what I'm going to do. I'm not always a huge fan of the digi eyes anyway, so maybe I actually take those out and put something else in there that just lights up. That's a possibility. We'll see. Depends on what I can do. If I can get them replaced, I might just replace it for the sake of having a working prop. But that's it. I mean, I would say it's average quality. It's not great, clearly. It's not working out of the box. But it's not bad. I think the bones are really here to make a really cool prop. And it's going to just take a little work on my end. Definitely some work on the eye, stuff in the legs. Let's change out the shirt and maybe the pants as well. He's not terrible. I think it's a cool look. Like I said, I love the classic werewolf style of him. So this is the animated Snarling Werewolf. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about him. Don't forget, everyone, I'm Scare Dad. Spooky season's coming, so go get ready. Hey, Mike! Come on, Mike, it's your turn. Let's go! Coming!